In the frozen silence, a mother begins her cub's first hunting lesson. She studies the ice, searching for the freshest sign of life below. Now, she lowers herself, turning patience into her greatest weapon. For her cubs, the hardest lesson is not strength, but stillness. Beneath the ice, a seal must surface to breathe. In a single instant, patience turns into power. For her cubs, this is more than food. It is survival made visible. Now, the lesson becomes theirs to understand. The lesson does not end here. It must be repeated again and again. Now, she allows them to try on their own. Not every chance becomes a catch. In the Arctic, mistakes are part of the lesson. She teaches again, showing that patience always comes before power. This time, the cub waits without fear. Across the Arctic ice, the lessons of today will shape their tomorrow.